Hey guys, it's Rory from Marco12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today with the Kowauri leather wallet case for the Google Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro. I've been using this case for about a week and a half now, and I've been very pleasantly surprised with it. It's a great little case that offers three awesome features. The first thing that it offers is good looks. It looks great on your phone. It comes in both a blue and a more traditional brown color, and that leather look just looks great on your device, and it also feels comfortable in the hand. The case is super affordable. It goes for about $15 on Amazon, and we'll have links to that in the description down below. And the third thing is the convenience. With that little wallet case on there, it makes it so you don't have to carry your driver's license and your credit cards around with you. Between that and Google Wallet, you're able to almost practically get rid of your wallet. So let's go ahead and put this thing on the phone here real quick. So to put it on the phone, you're going to take it and you're going to take it with the power and the volume buttons, and you're going to slide those in first. You're going to pop that down around the corners. And then presto, you're good to go. One of the first things you may notice is it does have a slightly different texture between this part and this part. This part here is your more traditional leather. It's that harder, thicker leather that you would normally see on leather accessories and things like that, whereas this is more of a suede. Suede is a softer part of the leather. It's made from a different part of the animal, or it's processed a little bit differently when they're making a PU leather or a fake leather. Now that is a great additional feature for the case, because when you're using the wallet case, this case goes through here and it holds it very tightly and very snugly. So when it's holding that, you don't want any damage to happen to your cards, and so that suede or that softer leather here, it's going to help protect those cards and make them so that they're not getting damaged when you're pulling them in and out. The case does say that it can hold 1 to 2 cards. I was able to fit 3 in there. However, once I put 3 in, it got a little bit tight and it was a little bit harder to fit things in there. And as you can see here, it is a little bit tight even just with those 2 cards. Pop them out. The way that I found works the best is just to take your finger and push up down here on the bottom piece, and as you can see again, it is pretty tight there, but you get that up and you can pull those and pull them right out. Also here on the back, you will see that it does have this raised lip that goes around the camera bump to provide some protection for your camera. Here up top, you'll see a cutout for your noise canceling mic, and flipping it around to the bottom, you'll see cutouts for your USB-C charging port for your microphone as well as your speaker. Now the sides of this are a grippier TPU surface, so that's not going to be something that's slipping out of your hand. It's not the grippiest one I've seen, but it is very smooth and it fits comfortably, and it's not something that you have to worry about dropping. And if you are worried about dropping it does come with this lanyard loop right here, so you can loop a lanyard through it and you can put that around your wrist or wherever else, and you'll be able to hold on to it that much more securely. Here on this side, you will see that they do have the power and the volume buttons. Those are very responsive. They're very clicky. No issues using those. And since we're on the front of the device, you will see that I do have a screen protector on there, and you can see that it goes right up to the edge of that screen protector while leaving just enough room there that it's not having to worry about the screen protector getting pushed up or damaged by the case. And then here up top, you do have a cutout for your speaker, so you don't have any loss in your front-facing audio. Now one other thing worth pointing out is that this case does support wireless charging. You can use that wireless charging with or without the wallet case being used. So you just throw it on your wireless charger, and then presto, you're good to go. And let's go ahead and throw those cards in there real quick. Now again, these aren't real credit cards, so your mileage may vary, but I didn't have any problems with it when I was using my driver's license and my credit card. But you can drop that on your charger, and then presto, you're good to go. So again, it's a great case that I would definitely recommend checking out. It offers those 3 things. It offers the affordability, it offers the good looks, and it offers that convenience. It's nice to be able to have this little wallet case that you can take around with you, and between this and Google Wallet, just get rid of your wallet completely. So I definitely recommend hitting that link in the video description down below and getting one for yourselves. So if you guys have any questions about the Kowauri leather wallet case or about the Pixel 9 or the Pixel 9 Pro, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.